everyone! For today, we will make an experiment about volcanic eruption. These are the materials that we need. Plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, clay, and a paper plate. Please be reminded to have your parents with you during our experimentation for them to help and guide you. Now, get your plastic bottle and then cut it using your cutter on the middle. And then, after that, get your clay and cover your bottle. Just like this. Your plastic bottle will be your volcano. Let's put it here on our paper plate. Just like this. Make sure to cover your bottle with the clay. Okay, that's it. Now, be ready for the eruption. Get your baking soda and pour it inside the bottle. Oops, careful. Okay, careful. Now, after you pour some baking soda, get your vinegar and look closely. Ooh, there you go. Ooh. See? That's it. Thank you for watching.